This is going to be a reading for the sign of Libra. All that I need to know. So let's start. So for you guys, we have this is going to be a new set. So we have triggering messages. In the past, your person very much kept you as a safe option. They were never really wanting to truly, keep you as their exclusive partner. They were just wanting to keep you around as a safe option. That is one message I'm getting. Right now, at the present, be patient, give them space, relax, trust. So right now you need to be patient, give them space, relax and trust. What's coming for you in the future, we have changed. Your love life will change. So whatever you guys are going through, the positive, the negative, whatever you guys are going through, I see that changing for the better. Okay, so let's start what you guys are going through. Libra for the month of March 2021. Here we go. So yeah, I'm really sorry for not being around for the later part of Fab. Wasn't really feeling well. Wasn't in the right energy for doing any readings. Okay. Right now with Four of Cups, many of you guys are not in the right space, I would say. Okay. You guys may have other options, but you guys are not connecting with either of them. The one you want is not around. Okay. I believe someone is genuinely interested in you, but you are not interested in this person. Okay, someone has hurt you in the past, and that has kind of closed you off to new connections altogether. But I can very much feel that you have more than one options. Okay, if you guys don't have more than one option, then you will be getting it very soon. Okay, the one you want isn't really showing up, the one you are genuinely interested in. The rest are there, but you are taking your own sweet time before accepting them. Okay, so yeah, like what else are Libra going through? What else are Libra going through month of March? With Two of Wands, yes, you guys are very much at crossroads. I don't see you having any certain plan as such. In the past, you could have walked away or given up on someone quite recently. Top card, we have Devil card, but you still think about them. You still have thoughts about them. You haven't completely moved on, but yes, you have given up. Okay, one card for what else is coming up. What else do you see coming up? With the Eight of Swords, yes, a part of you still thinks about them, a part of you still feels stuck to them, even if you are trying to move on, even if you are trying to be open to new things. I feel some part of you still feels stuck to the past. If from the past person, the past, as in the pain, the issues, whatever shit you guys have been through. Regarding your person, what are they going through? Libra soul, what are they going through? Okay, this person is behaving extremely controlling. They are not possibly letting you know like what they want from you. Nothing. They are just being where they are. Okay, with Five of Wands in the reverse, in the past they could have tried to get your attention, but then did not really try harder. Okay, so one more card. What are they going through? Libra soulmate. What are they going through? But this person is acting all detached. Not at all bothered, being in their own space. One more card with the Fool. I believe that this person is very focused on new beginnings altogether. Okay, this person in the past could have tried to go for something new totally. Okay, it doesn't have to be a relationship. It could be a new job, a new career altogether, a new place, a new move to a new city maybe. But this person is moving towards new beginnings. Okay, like what else do we need to know about this person? What else do we need to know about this person? With Death card, this person has definitely ended three major arcana cards, so they are going through a lot of changes. Okay, a lot of transformation. With the Death card, they are transforming their old ways. They are trying to fit in the into their present. So their past, whatever past they've had, they are trying to change that. They are trying to take a leap of faith towards something new. They are trying to change their old ways, transforming themselves for the better. Okay, in terms of you, how are they thinking about you now? In terms of how thinking about you now? With the Chariot card, please give me a clarifier. Showing all major arcana cards, darling. This connection is definitely strong, but it's messed up like usual. I dropped a card. Okay, it's Ace of Swords. So very soon this person will try to communicate. With Ace of Pentacles at the bottom, this person could have tried to reach out in the month of Feb, but nothing really went through. Okay, but I believe right now this person has plans of meeting you, but as of now, at the very present moment, this person isn't showing you shit. They are trying to be on their own, trying to do their own thing. You know, with the Death card, certainly something has changed about them. Okay, in terms of their feelings for you, how do they truly feel for you now? Libra soulmate. With Ace of Wands, we have three aces now. This person is still extremely passionate about you, but in the past they did reach out but spoke nothing about connections, feelings, whatever. Okay, they were very detached. Top card, we have Seven of Swords. So the person is very much watching you. Okay, they are keeping a watch and they're keeping a tap on you, but not at all moved on. If you feel this person is moved on, no, they haven't. Okay, one card for what do they truly have in their heart space for you? What do they truly have in their heart space for you? The Devil card. They are extremely obsessed, attached, and cannot move on from you. We have a lot of Major Arcana cards in this reading, and which tells me that this is extremely, you know, powerful connection, and you cannot take this for granted. I know this person has been difficult. You could not deal with them. You tried to move on, but you couldn't. They tried to move on, but they couldn't. You just feel stuck to each other, not knowing where this is going. Okay, one more card for what are they wanting to offer you now? What are they really wanting to offer you now? Libra soulmate. One card, Spirit. Okay, this person may take time, but whatever they choose, it's going to be long term. If they choose to leave you, they are going to leave you. If they are going to choose to hold on to you, they're going to hold on to you, but they will take time. Okay, right now they are missing you. They may have choices, to be very honest. They may have choices with the Lovers card here. Like, what's currently blocking them? What is currently blocking them, Spirit? What is currently blocking them? The Magician card. This person could be trying to manifest something else in their life. Doesn't have to be a relationship. Could be a job, career, whatever. Okay. But this person is definitely manifesting or trying to focus on something else altogether. They are not so focused on this connection. They may feel attached, obsessed, wanting to reach out, wanting to talk, but their main focus, their main concern is something else. Okay. One card for their intentions towards you now. What are their intentions towards you now? Four of Wands. They still want this as much as you, but yeah, in the past this connection was difficult. This connection has never been easy. I do not think this is a new connection. Okay, I'll do a Libra single reading, but that's going to be posted exclusively on Instagram. Like, it's going to be a link, but yes. But I do feel this person still wants this, but right now their main focus could be their career, not you. Okay, one card for what action they want to take towards you. What action they really want to take towards you now? With Queen of Pentacles, they still want to nurture the situation. They still want to care for you, possibly nurture you, possibly hold on to this, possibly put in effort. Everything is planned, but when it comes to taking action, they don't. Okay, with Strength card, they are finding the strength necessary to reach out, to possibly make an effort. Okay, so what can you expect for the next couple of weeks? What can you expect for the next couple of weeks from this person? Wheel of Fortune. This is going to have a change. There's going to be a change for certain. This person will reach out. You guys are going to have communication. I'm not promising you anything romantic or anything happening, because King of Swords and Wheel of Fortune, the cycle is going to possibly change. The wheel is going to turn, but chances are this person will reach out. Yes, but what are they going to offer? How long are they going to take to make the effort? I do not know. But are they going to reach out? Absolutely yes. Are they still in love with you? I would say more of attached than in love. They want this as much as you do. But when it comes to feelings, I would say that they are extremely attached. I don't say some crazy feelings for you. Okay. They have their attention someplace else. Like, are they entertaining a third party? Are they entertaining a third party, Libra soulmate? With Page of Swords, I believe that they do have people around. I won't say directly that they are completely, in a relationship, but yes, they could be talking to some other soulmates around, but doesn't have to be that like they're in one-to-one relationship. Okay, one card for how do they view you now? How do they truly view you now? Four of Pentacles. They feel like you're holding back. They feel like you are not wanting to hurt yourself. The reason why you're not reaching out is because you want to save yourself from any more heartbreak. Okay, what do they think you want from them now? What do they think you want from them now? Libra soulmate, please. Page of Pentacles. Okay, so this person feels like you do not want to lose contact with them. You may not want too much, but at least you want this person to communicate, keep in touch, like that. Okay, what do they want from you? What do they want from you? To be very honest, they want to heal the connection, fix the connection, but but I would say they want to start communication. They want to talk to you. Okay, like whatever they have to say, they might possibly accept they are wrong in the past. With Five of Wands in the reverse, they may want to compromise a bit. I won't say that they're going to completely bend for you, or do things that are unimaginable. No, but they're definitely going to want to change a bit. Okay, what else do we need to know about this person and this connection? Felt you would not hold on for long. So this person could have felt like you would not hold on for long now. Okay, like you were possibly drifting apart. You were wanting to move elsewhere or focus elsewhere. What else? Toxicity bound patterns. This connection never had a possible positive outcome. It was always toxic. Things always, seemed like they would never change. The patterns, things starting, falling, drifting, all that shit was continuing. Okay, when you guys felt bound to each other, but nothing really positive came out of it. Like moving for the next 15 days, where do we see this connection going, Spirit? Work and responsibilities. So work and responsibilities are very much coming in the way. Okay, for many of you Libras, I would say that this person does love you, but they are focused elsewhere. When someone is not focused on a relationship, one person cannot fix it. It takes two people to hold on to something, to balance something. No matter how much effort you put, you won't be able to hold on or save the connection. So my direct advice to you is focus on yourself, just like your person is focusing on them. And right now is not the time for you to reach out or possibly compromise. I hear many WhatsApp messages that ask me, should I reach out, should I not reach out? Darling, that is your own personal life. You can't bloody question me about it unless you're paying for it. Okay, but that is your responsibility. You want to reach out, you can reach out. If you don't want to reach out, don't reach out. But my direct advice to you is let them sort their shit. Right now they are not at all focused on the relationship. They are focused on their work, responsibility, stability, future. Okay, what do they want from you now? What do they really want from you now? To be very honest, they are confused. They have many other things that are going on in their life. It could be their career, their future, there is you, and there are other things around. Okay, with Page of Wands, as of now, they just want to communicate. They just want to possibly maintain contact with you. I won't say that you should expect too much out of this connection. For all those who are single, what can they expect? Or for all those who are single, what can they expect? With the Knight of Wands, definitely this month of March, I see you meeting someone new. Okay, this person could be possibly a long distant. Okay, doesn't have to be, but for most of you, this might be long distant. Okay, it could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What else? I feel this person has gone through something terrible as well. You guys will connect on the same topic, that your past wasn't very good for you. And one more card where this is going for Libra singles for the month of March. With Queen of Wands, it's going to be a passionate beginning. Like you guys would like each other, the way you guys look. The passion is definitely going to be there. The spark is definitely going to be there. But emotion wise, it's going to start some way. But I won't say that you guys are going to look at each other and fall in love and all that bullshit. It might start off sexually, but it's going to move forward. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Libra for the next 2 weeks for the month of March. If it resonates, kindly hit the like button, let me know in the comment section, subscribe. All those who want to join the membership for regular readings, 48 hours reading, 72 hours reading, weekly readings, I have 4 options. You could choose the extended readings tab, or possibly 48-hour reading tab, or weekly reading tab. The first bracket doesn't hold anything. It's just early messages, and that's about it. Thank you so much. For all those who want to reach out for personal readings, could either WhatsApp, email, or reach out on my website, or book one for yourself. Thank you so much. I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.